Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I decided to mix things up a little bit and do a tool video. I was on the Napa website the other day and decided to order some of the new Carlyle offerings I saw and decided to go ahead and order them and check them out. So let's see what I got. So here's the first item I ordered. This is going to be the swivel socket I got for doing my headers. And let's see if it's stiff. Okay, don't seem to be moving around much. Alright, nice. Let's see what else I got. So here's the second thing I got. Now I'm going to be honest. When I got on the website, I wasn't looking for these. I was just trying to get the swivel socket for my headers. But they were on sale and I couldn't help myself, so here we are. I got my first pair of non-slip sockets. And the finish on these actually looks pretty decent. And it's got nice teeth in it as well to help grip those rounded off bolt heads. And I figured I'd pick up these, especially since I work on a lot of older vehicles that tend to have a lot of rust. So yeah, thanks for joining in. Remember to like, share, subscribe. See you next time.